He's been sitting like this for an hour already.
Hi guys, today we're gonna make homemade banh mi. Let's prepare the baguette.
Later. $4.39.
After dividing the dough into 3 parts, you want to fold the dough from the outside in. So fold it inwards and then pinch the top and seal it. So once it's sealed, you want to make a spherical shape and leave it to proof for 10 minutes. So take half of the dough and gently apply light force onto it so then it stretches out. And now use your forearms and start to spread out the dough. Now roll the spread out dough into a log shape and seal the top by pinching it. Once the top is properly sealed, you want to now form your baguette shape. Make sure the ends are pointy. Let it proof for 1 hour.
I'm doing it fast enough. Approximately 3 tablespoons, 2 stalks, and 1 tablespoon, maybe 1.5 tablespoons.